1. Launch the program. Begin by typing the command TagUI followed by the file name, press enter, and the program will launch in your default browser. You'll be prompted to log in. If your pre-configured ID and password are set up, you'll log in automatically. 2. Navigate to the draft lessons, go to the Manage module, where you'll find all the draft lessons. Click on a draft lesson to review its contents and confirm whether it already exists or requires updating. If updates are necessary, proceed to the print-friendly worksheet. 3. Copy the content. In the print-friendly worksheet, select all the text by pressing Ctrl-A and copy it with Ctrl-C. Return to the Browser tab where the program is open. 4. Create a new quiz. Navigate to the last activity section and click New, followed by Quiz. While generating the quiz, update the quiz title. Provide additional instructions to the authoring copilot. 5. Customize quiz instructions. You can set specific parameters for the quiz. For example, 5 multiple-choice questions with 4 options, only one of which is correct. 2 short answer questions focused on real-life applications to inspire learning joy. Add another question for acceptable answers, if applicable. After finalizing, click Create. 6. Paste knowledge base content. Once the quiz template is created, paste the copied content into the knowledge base by pressing Ctrl-V. Click Add to save the content, and wait approximately 30 seconds for the AI to generate the quiz. 7. Review and edit. Review the generated quiz, ensuring multiple-choice questions adhere to the specified format, free response questions are relevant and encourage thoughtful answers. Edit the marking scheme to account for varied acceptable answers by adding appropriate marks for correct responses, including detailed explanations or examples for real-life application questions. 8. Resolve latex display issues. If certain texts require $and $scripting, example, special characters or formatting, manually add the necessary symbols to ensure correct rendering. 9. Complete and move to the next lesson. After making all the edits, finalize the quiz by clicking Done. TagUI will auto-click and approve the lesson automatically. TagUI continue to the next draft or unpublished lesson in the module to refresh and update the MOE library modules. This step-by-step process ensures your lessons are updated efficiently, providing a seamless experience for learners. This process is automated using Robotic Process Automation (RPA) software but can also be performed manually if easier to do by hand. Alternatively, check out the GitHub link below to install TagUI and use the script for greater productivity and continuous learning. I'm excited to see what other innovations you come up with using tools like UiPath, Playwright, or other RPA solutions.